नमस्ते सभी को स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से। और बात करेंगे आज आप लोगों के साथ Q3 रिजल्ट के बारे में। और Q3 रिजल्ट लाइव अपडेट्स। तानला प्लेटफॉर्म्स shares gain 13%, अर्बन कंपनी डाउन 2%। ahead of earning Q3 result live updates today. The final trading day of the work brings the result from the three Nifty 50 stocks: Shriram Finance, BPCL and JSW Steel, while broader market names like IndusInd Bank, DCB Bank, Karur Vysya Bank, Laurus Labs, and host of other companies will be also reporting result today. Along with this, there will be penalty of the result reaction from stock like IndiGo, since Bandhan Bank, Mphasis, and others will be keep your updates the best. The live updates of all that is right here. Q3 is a live updates. The final trading day of the week promised to be full of action with regard to quarterly result, with the over 50 companies reporting earning today. As well, from the Nifty 50, Shriram Finance, the stock that have been in the spotlights for it is the mega deal, along with the JSW Steel and Cipla will be reporting their result today. From the border market, IndusInd Bank, GCPL makes Laurus Labs, JSW Energy, DCB Bank, Karur Vysya Bank India, Cement, Sona BLW, Urban Company, Nuvama Wealth Management, Sterlite Technologies, Laurus Defense System Industry, Welspun Specialty Solutions, Atul Ltd are among the companies reporting their earning today. Adani Energy Solutions, Bandhan Bank, Mphasis, IndiGo, Kind, Mphasis Finance, IndiGo, DLF, Digit, the Blue Star Jeweler, Gujarat State Petroleum, the Sorodois, SFB, Syngene are among the companies reacting to their earning that came in post the market hours on Thursday. Check the space for live updates on the Q3 result management, commentary, analysis, views and the stock reaction. और रिजल्ट आप लोगों ने देखा जो Syngene, the international share declined nearly 3%. The stock is currently down 2.7%. Net profit down 88.5% at 15 crore vs 131 crore. For Q3 result updates, Home Finance share gained 6%. Home Fast Finance share currently up 6.1%.